Very good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome to the week ahead video. The purpose of this video is for those that are subscribed to the signal service to be able to understand the rationale for the signals, and also to get insights into the methodology which we follow here, which certainly evolves around market cycles and harmonics to give us turning points. And before going into all that, customary risk warning that trading is risky. These trade signals aren't a regulated activity, so you're not going to be protected by the financial ombudsman or compensation services scheme. So do bear that in mind. And ultimately, trading is high risk. So yeah, do take these considerations into. Let's start. So we had a really good June, quiet start to the month really in July. But we've managed to get some good trades away. At the minute, we have this situation with silver. Now, this is creating an absolute perfect Gartley sell pattern. But this is the danger of trading without context because, yes, this is a valid. I know from my own experience, I used to do exactly these trades, and you'd be very successful in the short term making this because literally the pattern completed here and it gave you a ton of points. However, this is where the market cycle is an important thing to grasp. There's more going on than just this. That's great, but so many traders are selling this here without the realization that there's more going on behind the scene. For example, we've got a day of rise, we've got a second day of rise, anticipated to give us a third day of rise, but markets closed on Friday. Now, for me, this is a long, even though you've got the Gartley short, I will be sending this out as a long idea. Reason being, the reason being is that we've got this cycle developing. Can you see how you've got the W, you've got the one, we got the two, and we're starting the third push. Look, one, two, anticipate the third. This is a better picture of it. Not super bold. 1 second. Okay, let me just draw these out so they're clearer to see. So we have a one and we have a two. Give me 1 second, guys. So basically, we've got this situation, a level one and a level two, in context of a huge opportunity. Look, one, two, three, one. We're expecting two to come in, but before that two does come in, I do expect us to spike again. So bear that in mind. We also have this A, B, C, D. So we do have quite a bit of signs telling us that second zone of consolidation is around here. And we're targeting up here for the peak. So up at 4,900 is a long, long way to go. So yeah, super opportunity on silver. Now let's just go back through the list. Have a look where we sit on, let's start with ADCAD. So ADCAD is something that I'm not really fussed about. Looks messy. You've got the ABCD, which nearly completed down here. You've got push one, push two. Is it going to give us a third push? Difficult to know. It looks like it. There doesn't really seem too much for me to do here. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. Okay, I've just had my charts disconnected. Bear with me 1 second. Sorry about that. My charts kicked me out. Back on it. So yeah, with AUD we're in a downtrend at the minute. So we're still in control points are here and here. That's our range. So towards 3/4 of the range, but we are starting to see a bit of structure here. One, two, maybe it'll give us another retest of that. But I'm not really getting involved with that because it's not in my favor. ADCHF. So AUDCHF is another ugly looking pattern, but nevertheless, this is still showing us the hallmarks of where we want to be. You got one, we have two. I could see push one, I could see push two, and I expect push three to kick in. At the same time, got a really nice ABCD into resistance. If I can just get the... So we have this ABCD into resistance, and now what I can see is a week of drop, second week of drop, and anticipating the third. This isn't a high probability trade setup. If anything, it's a high probability trade setup to see lower prices next week. So we'll pass on that. AED NZD. Yeah, I mean, this is one that is sort of showing us something, but ultimately this isn't a big downtrend. So you've got this is all level one consolidation, and I do believe we're going to do this. Let's see. AED USD. The AED USD starting to tail off again. Amazing market maker cycle. Level one, level two. We are here at the minute in this cycle. We're just there expecting a big move lower. Something's going to happen with Australian interest rate decisions. I believe there's an interest rate decision tomorrow night or this week, one of these days. But yeah, I do expect that to play out short, and I am going to be looking for shorts until this high, 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 low thing's broken down. Moving on, Bitcoin 108. Have I got much to say about that? I mean, it's obviously menacingly bullish and strong. But what I can see on the monthly is that we've completed 3 months of rise here. One, two, three. So this is the fourth month, and I do not expect it to continue pushing. This looks pretty much cooked, Bitcoin, but we shall see. Euro AED is one of my favorite setups at the moment. Reason being is the clarity over what I'm seeing here. So I now know this is a level one, and I now expect this to be level two. Internally, we have beautiful structure. We have push one, push two, and we're just squeezing those highs at the minute. Look at that. It didn't want to close above it. That could be quite telling, but I fully expect this to explode next week. EuroCAD is another one I've got my eye on. Absolute wonderful market cycle. Level one, level two, and pushing to level three. Trades off the 50. Are we going to come back to the 50? Not sure yet. Euro NZD is another one I expect big bullish moves to happen. We've got, I now don't believe that's level one, but it was level one at the time. But these patterns do evolve. So now this is how I see it. Ultimately, this is high, 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 low, high, 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 low until it isn't, you know. And then we've got level two, and we expect prices to keep pushing. Bear with me 1 second. Second. Sorry about the pauses, folks. So yeah, level two rise looks really good. Euro USD. Let's have a look. Completing nearly the ABCD. This is level one. Looks like a really good chart to me, but I believe the cycle's finished in the short term. GBP AUD, similar sort of kettle of fish to Euro AUD and Euro NZD. Expect higher prices. GBP CAD, level one, level two. Higher highs, higher lows. This is another one for me next week. Really like how it's sort of structuring itself. GBP CHF, I believe, is a basket case at the minute, and because of that, I'm not going to really get myself into a situation with it. 1, 2 peak. This all could be a level one consolidation, but I think it's going to come off more. This isn't enough of a consolidation, really, and we're not above it. We've never gone threatened it. So pass on that one too. Just got to take high quality trade setups. GBP USD, again, hanging around above the first zone. Yes, we have ABCDs complete up here. Yes, I can count more than three, and that's enough. NZD CAD. NZD CAD, level one, level two peak. This is all level one. you have this situation here, which interested me. We are still at the lows of level one. I am still bullish on this, and it looks like a good one. NZD USD, again, similar to AUD USD, expecting lower prices ultimately, but the market's trying to convince us to go long here. We may get up to this ascending trend line. Let's look at gold. Still very steam trainy bullish. Maybe that's a peak. Maybe it's not. I'm not going to trade it. Stellar is having a bit of a push. It needs to do something soon. Stellar is such a great piece of technology. USD CAD again completed the cycles higher. As you can see, level one, level two peak matched the previous peak. I believe the reset, we may come back down to here. We shall keep an eye. But I can see 1, 2, 3 to the low. Is this a double bottom? We don't know that yet. We have to wait and see. And folks, that's it really. Nothing more to say or complicate. If you are interested in learning more about the methodology or signing up to the signals, please do see the Synergy Signals X page. Or alternatively, do message me because I can send you a link as well. Other than that, thanks very much for watching and catch you next week. Cheers.